Morning guys, it's Colin here from Auto Clarity in Southport. So got this lovely little low mileage Suzuki Splash. It's the automatic, only done 16,000 miles this, 2014, but little auto, perfect. Nice little car, a little bit higher up to get in, so it's nice and easy to get into, but it's in absolutely beautiful condition, as you'd expect for that miles. Unfortunately, the previous owner of this car passed away, which is probably why it's very, very low mileage. It was in probate for a little bit and now it's available, but really nice and clean inside. Car's got 2 keys with it, which are both there, you can see. Lovely and clean inside, full set of mats in it, no strange smells or anything like that. Not being a dog in here or anything. And there's certainly no smokers, but lovely and clean around the back. Nice clean boot there. All the alloys are perfect. Again, nice and clean in there. I'm walking down this side, again there's nothing to report at all on it, it's lovely. So, let's get inside. It's completely keyless, this car, so you can leave your keys in your bag or your pocket. Let's start it for you. So there's your mileage. Turn that down. There's your mileage, 16,593 miles. But yeah, lovely car, 2 keys, air conditioning. Obviously an automatic, so nice and easy to drive, nice high driving position as well in this. But you get aircon, obviously radio controls and everything on the steering wheel. But yeah, really, really nice little car, this one. So guys, if you're interested in this lovely little Suzuki, and one thing with these is they are bulletproof, they never ever go wrong. Suzuki's are great cars. So yeah, if you're interested in this, do give us a call. Finance is available, we love a part exchange, and warranties up to 3 years, so give us a call. Cheers guys.